Welcome to Lukang Old Street, Changhua. In the morning we meet the Taiwanese student and introduce with each other. These students are going to help us in this event. Today in this event we're going to make a wall named as Hello World Wall. We are going to write the hello in different languages and also making a traditional dresses of different countries. For this activity, we divided our team into two teams. First team, who are going to work on the paper cutting, and another teams who are going outside to make the wall ready. For that, we need to clean the wall and make the wall white so we can paint our. We are especially thanks to our sister Shui who making this event for us, and also all the students from different countries who are hard working for this event. We also enjoy the Lukang Old Street and also enjoy the food of Lukang Old Street. We also thanks to Lukang County to helping and supporting us for this event. After lunch we are starting work again, sticking the papers. We especially thanks to Professor Wu who always coordinating us and supporting us. From lunch even until the evening dark night we working hard. And the next morning we come back and starting work again. We want to thanks to everyone from international students come from Vietnam, Malaysia, Myanmar and myself from Pakistan, and also the Taiwanese student who are helping us a lot in this making memory. And we are thanks to all Lukang Old Street to making print our memory on those walls. Hope you guys like this wall. Thank you everyone.
Friendship in Taiwan. We are in Lukang. Yeah!
Full video will come on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to visit Natural Beauty Adventure.